Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the SanDisk 32GB flash drive, thumb drive. Now it's nothing special, it's just a standard thumb drive, but it does have 32 gigs, so it's good for some photos and videos, but mostly, you know, just like document files and program files and stuff like that. So it's been ordered. Jeez, it's been ordered from Amazon, and it just has my name on it because it was a Christmas present. So my grandparents wrote my name on it, but it actually just comes in this. It has Amazon written at the bottom here. So they got SanDisk, dedicated to flash memory, trusted by professionals worldwide. The back of it, we just have some information here. My camera wouldn't focus. There we go. We just have some information. And then you can see at the bottom here for mobile phones, cameras, tablets, laptops, USB flash drive, music players and gaming, SanDisk. So and then up here, I believe is where we unbox it. So I apologize that I do not have my tripod with me because it's broken, but I think the piece that I ordered should be here pretty soon. So let's unbox it. Alright, so looks like it's just, probably should use a knife or scissors for this, but I'm too cool for that. Oh, so you really don't even need that. You can just take it out there. So what do we have here? So this is, okay, it says what it's compatible, or I don't know. Is that what that's for? I don't know. And then some like warranty information on the back. Don't really need that. And then, yep, that's it. It's kind of cheapy, plasticky kind of feel to it, but I'm sure it'll work just fine. So this is the SanDisk Cruzer. If I can focus my camera. SanDisk Cruzer 32GB. I could have ordered this in a 16 I don't know. I don't know exactly what the configurations are. Hold on. Here we go. I pulled the same one up on Amazon. So this is the SanDisk Cruzer model flash drive, black. Now the default was actually a 128 gig. But I didn't need that much storage. I just wanted to have a flash drive to install Windows on in case I ever need to recover a computer for some reason. But let's see, you can start in 16 gigs, which is $6, or you can get two 16 gig ones for $11, 32 gig for $8, which is what I did, and then so on and so on. And then the 256 one, the most you'll be paying for, wow, 43 bucks, dang. Okay. You can see, there you go. And yeah, let's plug it into the computer and make sure it works. Alright, so it looks like with this thing is just, yep, what you push out like that. Then let's plug it into the USB port. There we go. Choose what happens when it drives. If we go into File Explorer here, it should come up. Yep, so here it is, USB drive. So that's just the that's my standard C drive. Here's the USB drive, and then, oh, it actually comes with a few files on it. So, and then, let's see, what's this down here? It looks like it's the same thing on both of these, so I'm just gonna, let's see. So we have just some basic files on here. SanDisk Secure Access. So these just look like a few PDFs because they're gonna open an Acrobat reader. So let me just transfer a file. Let me just take one of these desktop backgrounds. This is just kind of a cool Christmas one I found. And then let's transfer it to the drive. And then let's head over there. And then here it is. Transfer, yes. There we go. So, yep, seemed to go onto it just fine. Look at that. We can view the file. Now, remember to right-click on it before you're ready to remove it. Right-click and click eject. This will, even if it looks like there isn't any data left that's transferring, there may still be some cache in the background that's transferring. So then, it kind of went away. Oh, it's not there. But anyway, it's just the notification that Windows will show you that it's safe to remove. And then, there it is. So that was just the basic demo and unboxing of the SanDisk, what was this one called again? The Cruzer thumb drive. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments below. I'd be thrilled. See you later. Well guys, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Be sure to smash that thumbs up button and that subscribe button so much that you break your monitor and have to buy a new one. That's IceCreamJunkie, shutting down.